Following World War One, many people around the world began to push for political change. The war had exposed the contradictions between democratic ideals and colonial realities, while Western powers spoke of self-determination. They continued to hold empires and deny civil rights to women and racial minorities. This period saw a rise in grassroots movements demanding justice, freedom, and democratic participation. Women's suffrage movements. The war created opportunities for women to take on roles traditionally reserved for men, demonstrating their capability in strengthening the call for suffrage. In the United Kingdom, the suffragettes, including figures like Emily Division, campaigned fiercely, even sorting to direct action. So after the war, British women over 30 gained the right to vote in 1918, with full suffrage achieved in 1928. In the United States, activists like Alice Paul and organizations like the National Women's Party helped source in 19 amendment in 1920. These victories inspired women movements across Europe, Latin America, and parts of the Asia. So, in the slide for racial equality and civil rights, in the United States, African Americans migrated to northern cities. During the Great Migration, seeking better opportunities and escaping Jim Crow laws, however, they still face systematic racism, leading to the rise of civil rights groups like NAACP, powers preaching democracy, while became apparent. Black intellectuals like W.E.B. Du Bois and Marcus Garvey advocated for racial pride, Pan-Africanism, and global solidarity against the racial oppression. In slide 5, colonial resistance. Colonized peoples in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East increasingly resisted imperial rule. In Ireland, years of nationalist resistance culminated in the Irish War of Independence, resulting in a treaty that created the Irish Free State in 1921. In India, Mohandas Gandhi emerged as leader of the Indian independence movement, promoting nonviolent resistance against British rule across African and Southeast Asia. Nationalists began organizing, um, laying the groundwork for later independence movements after the World War II. In slide 6, democratic reforms and challenges. The collapse of old empire, or Ottoman, Austro-Hungarian, Russian, led to new states experimenting with democracy. Many adopted constitutions and held elections, however, economic instability, ethnic tensions, and lack of democratic tradition often caused these systems to falter. In China, the May 4th movement 1919, sparked by the Versailles Treaty transfers of Chinese land to Japan, became a rallying point to reform-minded students and intellectuals who wanted to modernize China politically and culturally in Latin America. Democracy remained fragile with frequent coups and oligarchic rule, but movements for reform persisted. In slide 7, cultural and intellectual movements. Writers, artists, and intellectuals used their work to question authority and imagine new future. Modernist literature and art reflected disillusionment with war tradition, education reform, expanded literacy and civic knowledge, empowering ordinary people to participate in political life, and colonists-educated elites often led resistance movements inspired by Western political ideas, but also committed to national identity and autonomy. Slide 8. Conclusion. The period after World War One was a turning point in global history. Civil rights and democratic movements challenged old hierarchies and inspired widespread calls for equality. Though many of these efforts were initially limited or suppressed, they laid essential foundations of the major revolutions in human rights and decolonization that followed in the mid-20th century.